So you can see there, you can see that it's pretty nasty in there. There's a few metal shavings here and there, but other than the filthy oil and complete loss of compression, I changed this, I cleaned it out, but let's see what we got here. Minimal wear. I don't know if you can see that. Minimal wear on the rod cap. Go ahead and push that piston up. I'm surprised I can push it with both valves closed. So that kind of tells you it's in pretty bad shape. Cranky crankshaft. Yeah, just a little bit of wear on that. Now we'll just remove the head. Let's see what we got. Huh. Well, I guess I didn't have to wait. It's a piston right there. And let's see what we have here. All rings are intact. Let's clean off that side. If you can see right here, some rough scoring, some score marks along here. This side doesn't look too bad. Cylinder wall has a score. Once I get this head off, I'll let you see inside there. Looks at the cylinder walls. It would have taken a lot more work than getting an engine that was only 3.5, 4 years old, putting it on in its place. Even though it was a Tecumseh, but it still ran. Let's get a look here. See if you guys can see that. Right. Apologize for the lighting, but right here, if I can keep this thing from tipping. Should have taken that other bracket, but right there is some scoring, which matches the scoring on the piston, and yeah, right in here. But this right here, right where my finger is, you can see that line there and a line there. Those are deep gouges in the cylinder walls.